You guys, welcome back to the channel. Audio best be working. About 50 gigs worth of videos because the audio on the GoPro decided to screw about. So it best be working today. Ducati H2, and we're going to MPIRE UK meet. So let's go shut it down and have some fun. I can't remember when the last time I went to MPIRE. A little while ago, so yeah, should be good, should be good. The H2 gas, but the exhaust blew in. That looks so good. It's so loud. Hey you guys, you wanna like, share, subscribe from now, because yeah, you know we got some mad stuff with these bikes. Yes, gotcha. Anyway, we're gonna go to a meeting location. See what's going on. Bag, you better be zipped up. What the hell has happened here, boy? Something major has happened here. Boy, barefoot. Yeah, yeah. My bro, you good? No, bro. What's this? Shut up, bro. Shut up, let me just pop that for a minute, bro. Give me neutral, bro. There we go.
You unlock side?
Yeah, I put everything in race mode. Yeah, see, so I unlocked your dash, so you got another hidden mode.
Yeah.
So I just unlock that for you, so it gives it more power.
Okay.
And then that's launch mode, so you can launch control it.
Okay.
So literally, all you do,
Keep the clutch.
yeah, clutch is in. The problem, when it gets hotter, you see it spraying fire, bro. But all you do, I'll show you how to do it, bro. Go to settings, go on it, racetrack, that was deactivated. So you do, you click it, so that's it. So when it's on, and then watch this, race pro riding mode.
Now you activate it, it was off before.
Now look, you can fully customize your bike. Free, and now,
I didn't even see this.
so look, this, so now you got more power, max, basically the whole bike's maxed out. So now when you go to,
I'll feel the difference straight away, innit?
the first one says we should feel different. So now, if you hit mode, you got race pro 1, race pro,
So put it on
race pro 1, 2, and 3. So right, 1 is the one you're going to want it in. That's maxed out now. What do you want to do? Do you want to see what's out now?
No, but you see, and that's how it, have you set it to that?
What, the rev limiter?
Yeah.
What, the pit lane mode?
Yeah, put
I can do that as well, yeah.
A few moments later.
was abroad. I've got the new.
Guys, Fast and the Furious. Literally Fast and the Furious. Iron plates, bruv, on that rolls. That's jokes.